Yeah, I came out to the paw spot because I was passing through. I don't really think I expect to find anything. They've already been falling for like 3, almost 4 weeks, and it's probably been at least a week and a half, if not more, since I've been here. But I do see some spicebush berries, if nothing else. But I'll take a peek in the tree line and see what I see. I haven't seen any still on the trees yet. But yeah, I'll poke my head in the tree line and see what I see. Not much. That's a walnut. It's kind of dark too, so. Yeah, I haven't seen anything yet, but I'm gonna get off my phone here so I can use the light. Maybe I can see something. That's about it.